Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings or long pressing the home screen to jump straight into Wallpaper and Themes. Tap Themes or Wallpaper and Style. This lists active and downloaded themes. Once there, note the active theme name so you can revert. Make sure Samsung Theme Store is installed and up to date. If you prefer, also open the Themes app now. You're starting the actual change immediately, not just checking, so go ahead and load the themes screen to proceed. You'll now choose a replacement or delete the active theme. Select Default or a built-in Samsung theme and tap Apply. This restores stock icons, fonts, and colors. If you want the custom theme removed entirely, open Downloaded, pick the theme, and tap Delete. Confirm when prompted. Once applied, check Home and Lock screens to confirm icons and fonts reset. If fonts or icons remain, make sure you actually applied Default and not a similar-looking theme before moving to Finish by restarting your phone. A reboot finalizes changes and clears leftover visuals. If the custom theme still appears, open Samsung Theme Store, go to App Storage and clear cache and data, then reapply Default. Make sure you disable or uninstall any third-party launchers that might enforce a theme. As a troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing the theme. If themes reset there, uninstall the offending app and reboot normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.